beauty secrets for your soul. Alright, I'm here at Mission Pacific, #1 resort in the world right now, okay, and in, this is northern San Diego, okay, broadcasting live to you, and wanted you to kind of get a glimpse of what it's like on the inside. Alright? Fun! Alright. Have a great day, everyone. Love you. Beauty secrets for your soul.